welcome back. Another day at the shop here, the garage. Today we're going to be working on changing out the regular fuel line to an SRT fuel line. And then we're going to be working on installing the ABS system, which goes over here. Get the radiator in. Finish up the interior. Do the rear disc conversion today to the back. Maybe even get as far as getting the engine installed today. So, all right, guys, we got the SRT fuel line in. Put the SRT hubs on both sides. The calipers are going on. What else? Got the fuel line in all the way back to the tank. Gotta change out the tank still. Also managed to get in the rear sway bar. The holes were there from the factory, just this model didn't come with the sway bar. So that's installed too now. Other than that, we'll move right along. Everything's in. Next is the ABS. Here's a little update. Got all the calipers on. Little stuff like that. Then took the gas tank out. Gotta do the ABS wiring, got the rear brakes on. Full conversion. Yeah. Change the tank. Put the ABS wiring in. Move on from there. It's really not too bad. We're getting there, making progress. Hopefully have it done about a week or so. Carry on. All right, guys, a little update for you. Got all the disc brakes on all around. All four corners of discs. Red calipers, SRT swapped. Did the ABS wiring too. In the back, put the SRT gas tank in, SRT rear sway bar. And now what I'm gonna do is get ready to cut holes for the intercooler. I'm gonna cut some of this out here on both sides. The intercooler piping can come through. And then I gotta pick up a brake line tool that flares the ends before I can finish doing the ABS. That's almost finished. And then I'm deciding between going and getting a replacement transmission or using a spare one I have. I think I'm gonna go pick up a spare transmission locally instead of using another one. This one's no good. So, making progress though. Gotta order suspension because the SRT wheels clearly won't fit with these struts on. So I'm gonna go ahead and order some suspension. I don't know if I want to do coilovers or stock suspension. Also gonna order a full exhaust. So I'm trying to do it on a budget. Maybe get the eBay exhaust. See what I could do. Alright guys, decided to test fit the bumper. No shock, it fits. Things in there. Like I said, I gotta get a set of wheels for it. And suspension and exhaust. I even test fitted the rear bumper. No, it's gonna fit, but you know, had it laying around, so. Everything came out nice. I didn't mention it yet, but the whole entire car is gonna be getting painted once the engine's in and we get it running. The entire car is gonna get resprayed. I'm gonna keep it the factory white color and just make it look a lot better. I got the hood. I didn't put the hood on yet. You know, I don't want to go putting parts in the car for no reason and then have to take them back off again. The bumper's just hanging on loose. 2 or 3 screws holding the bumpers on. Like I said, when it's ready to go to paint, after we get it running, I'm probably gonna have them paint the panels, the bumpers, the hood, the trunk, the rear bumper, side skirts, have them painted off the car, and then spray the whole car, and you know, just go on from there. And like I said, you know, when the car is done, it's definitely gonna be for sale. You know, just a little project for the channel. This is our first, you know, my first channel project. So we'll just take it slow, see how it goes. Like I said, follow us on Instagram at Boost Kings. Email us suggestions, you know, comment, subscribe. Email us boostkings2019@gmail.com. All right, guys, talk to you soon.